Coming in at 17 is Crackle, which stands out by offering a curated selection of exclusive originals and beloved classic Hollywood films. Now, Stremio is an interesting one. It's known for its add-on versatility and a clean, modern interface that makes finding content a breeze. If you love variety, Popcornflix is for you. It organizes its content into a massive range of specific genres, making discovery really easy. FilmRise is honestly a hidden gem, perfect for cinephiles, specializing in independent films, documentaries, and timeless classics. For my viewers in the UK, the official BBC iPlayer add-on is essential, but remember, you'll need a UK connection due to geo-restrictions. While known for personal media, the official Plex add-on has an impressive and ever-growing free-to-watch section worth exploring. Similar to Pluto TV, Zumo TV delivers a fantastic mix of both live scheduled channels, sports, news, lifestyle, and a library of on-demand content. Believe it or not, the official YouTube add-on is a goldmine, with many studios offering full-length classic movies on their official channels. At number 9, we have Freeform. This add-on is your go-to source for catching up on some incredibly popular and current TV shows. Locutus has earned its spot for one simple reason. It is incredibly reliable for finding high-quality working streaming links. For my international audience, particularly in India and parts of Asia, the Disney Plus Hotstar add-on unlocks a massive world of regional content. Anime fans, this one is for you. Watch Nicktoons 2 is the undisputed king for anime, boasting a simply colossal library of series and movies. Breaking into our top 5, US TV Now is a fantastic option for cord cutters who want simple, reliable access to live US TV channels. For staying informed, NewsOn is unparalleled. It provides live local news broadcasts from stations all across the United States. In our top 3, TiVo shines with its incredibly diverse and well-organized selection of TV shows from around the globe. Our runner-up is Tempest. This add-on is constantly updated, making it one of the most reliable choices for finding fresh movie and TV links. And at number 1, we have Fen. It earns the top spot for its blazing fast performance, lightweight design, consistent delivery, and high-quality 4K streams. And there you have it. The 21 essential Kodi Addons to completely revolutionize your streaming setup for 2025. From the lightning-fast performance of Fen and the reliability of Tempest to the massive libraries in the crew, there is genuinely something here for everyone. Installing even just a few of these will dramatically expand your access to free movies, TV shows, live channels, and so much more. The power of Kodi is in its customization, and now you have the ultimate toolkit to build a media center that is perfectly suited to you. Remember that the Kodi community is always changing, with add-ons rising and falling in popularity and functionality. That's why staying subscribed to channels like this is so important, as we do the hard work of testing for you, ensuring you always have the best and most current information. Your support allows me to keep creating these in-depth guides and helps the entire community discover better ways to enjoy their content. It's a win-win for everyone involved in this amazing ecosystem. So, go ahead and start exploring these add-ons. I'm genuinely curious to see how you build out your new and improved Kodi experience. Which add-on are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more Kodi tips.